well wherever you are in the world. Today I was very excited and am very excited because I retrieved this little package from the postman this morning, very sleepily. I've been eagerly expecting it and very excited because it's from the Bamboo Closet and she makes the most beautiful veil fans and I'm excited to open it, so let's do it! Ooh, ooh. Oh, I wasn't expecting this. Oh, I think these are boy covers. I was expecting this. Ooh, they're so pretty. I think these go around my poise. Oh, beautiful. It'll look like I'm spinning fire, even when I'm not spinning fire now. 4 bags are there. Ooh, so pretty! It's like the sea. This is like a specific cut that she's designed where the ends taper off in a special shape. Oh, I love these pinks and purples. Yay! And it's perfect timing because I'm about to go overseas to Europe, which you guys will hear all about. And I'm going to take these with me and photos and veils every place I go. So that's pretty exciting. And I will definitely post some videos of me playing with all these new pretty toys and share them with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this little piece of excitement in my day, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah!